Hi everyone, let's bake some hair buns. On the top section of the hair, have a hair loop and make a twist. In the bottom section of the hair, have some braid and pinch it for some volume and have some lovely hair clips. Combine 3 rubber bands into one and make it attached to the top part of your hair and make a ponytail. Make hair ties continuously and the bottom part make a braid and bend it over and fix it. Have a curvy design by using extra rubber bands. Divide your hair into 3 sections and the middle section of the hair, make a ponytail and make it braid and make a swirl forming a bun. And the section of hair at the back, start braiding it all over from top to bottom, making the ridges visible. Then have some beautiful hair clutches on the top. Grab your hair completely from the sides and make a tie in the middle using a rubber band. In the bottom section of the hair, grab enough hair from the top section and make it braided. So braid it all the way from top to bottom in a very thin manner. Once when you do complete the braid, pinch it a little bit on the sides, on the go, then complete the braid on the other side and have a beautiful hair clutcher. Drop a very pretty ribbon on top of your hair and divide your hair into 2 sections on the sides and make it braided along with it. Then the bottom section of the hair, grab some 2 parts and braid it again. With the excess part of the ribbon, have a bow tie design. Split your hair into 2 sections and make the braids and make one braid go into each other and have it come across. Then attach a beautiful hair clutcher. In the middle section of the hair, have a hair braid and also make a loop out of it. Do it in different parts of the hair in the middle and combine that with the back section of the hair, braid it and decorate with your hair clutcher. Divide your hair into 2 sections. In the middle section of the hair, have a ponytail and using a hair loop, make a twisted pattern by making it come down. Then in the section of hair at the back, braid it all the way from top to bottom in a very thin manner. Then at the tip of the braid, make it curvy by using rubber bands and decorate with a hair clutcher. Divide your hair into 2 sections from the middle and do the braiding from top to bottom in a very thin manner. You have to grab the hair from the sides only in the front section, but leave the back section as such, having a closed shape. Then once when you braid it, do it on the opposite side, combine them and have a rubber band, make a twisted pattern, make a heart-shaped loop. Thank you guys for watching this video.